Box Optronics Tech introduces the company's best-selling product, Optical Fiber Coupling Detector, namely photodiode. Box Optronics Tech provides detectors in T-open package and with pigtails. We can customize NGAS detectors with a detection range of 900 nanometers to 1700 nanometers and silicon detectors with a wavelength range of 400 nanometers to 1100 nanometers according to customer requirements. Customize products with different photosensitive surface, fiber length, and fiber connector specifications. Our detectors are mainly characterized by high response, low dark current and low capacitance, high reliability and long service life. It is widely used in analog optical receivers and test equipment, optical fiber sensing, optical fiber communication and other fields. Box Optronics Tech has been implementing the feasibility of retesting products before shipment and providing customers with product test reports. It fully conforms to the shipping standard of Box Optronics Tech. The copyright of this video finally comes from Box Optronics Tech.